Want to create your very own group in Roblox Mobile? I'll guide you through the full process so you can set it up quickly and easily. First, open the Roblox app on your mobile device. On the main screen, look for the More button at the bottom right corner and tap it. This will open a menu with several options. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Create and tap on it. At the top left corner of the next screen, you'll notice 3 horizontal lines. Tap on them to reveal more settings. From the list, select View As. Once inside, choose Create Group. This is where you can customize your new group. Start by uploading a group image. This will be the profile picture everyone sees. Next, type in a group name that's unique and easy to remember. Below that, add a description explaining what your group is about, its purpose, or what members can expect when they join. When all the details are filled in, scroll to the bottom and find the Purchase button. Creating a group costs 100 Robux, so tap Purchase and confirm your payment. Once the payment is processed, your group will be created instantly and ready for members to join. You've successfully created your own Roblox group. If this guide helped you, give it a like. Subscribe for more Roblox tips.